Did someone walk out on you? Do not chase them at all. Do not beg for their attention. Chasing always makes you look weak. Use powerful psychology to win instead. This is about your own value. True regret comes from your growth. We will show you how today. Pay close attention to every word. This will change your life now. Let us dive deep into truth.
The first step is total silence. Stop calling them right now. Stop texting them every single day. Silence is a very powerful tool. It creates a massive mystery. They expect you to be sad. They expect you to keep begging. When you disappear, they feel confused. Confusion often leads to deep regret. You must win quietly, in silence. Let your absence do the talking. Silence is your greatest mental weapon. Focus entirely on your own growth now. Build a much better life today. Start a very strict workout routine. Level up your career and skills. Become a high-value person very fast. This is called the level up phase. Use the Lotus method for focus. Productivity is the best revenge ever. Become someone they can no longer reach. Make your success very loud later, but keep the process very quiet. You must control your own emotions now. Never show them your deep pain. Stay calm in every single situation. High emotional intelligence is a rare power. People regret losing a stable person. They regret losing someone with high value. Do not post sad quotes online. Avoid seeking cheap pity from others. Keep your personal life very private. Privacy makes you look very strong. Start living a very exciting life now. Explore new cultures and local spots. Take solo trips to find yourself. Learn a new language very fast. Become a topper in your field. High intelligence attracts new, better people. Surround yourself with high-value friends. Let them see your new energy. They will realize what they lost. True regret is a slow process. It happens when you stop caring. Never react to their small triggers. If they text, do not reply. If they call, let it ring. This shows you have high respect. Respect is earned through your silence. You are no longer their option. You are now a rare prize. This shift in power creates regret. They will miss your calm energy. They will miss your high-value presence. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Productivity is your new best friend. Use your pain to work harder. Turn your heartbreak into raw fuel. This is how geniuses truly win. They use setbacks to grow faster. Your growth will feel very illegal. It will be a massive transformation. People love a great comeback story. Become the hero of your own life. Do not look back at them. The past is a dead place. Understand the psychology of human scarcity. People want what they cannot have. By leaving, you become very scarce. You are no longer easily available. This triggers a deep sense of loss. They will start remembering the good. They will start forgetting the bad. This is when regret truly hits. But by then, you are gone. You have moved to better things. You are now a different person. Practice high-value habits every single day. Reset your brain every single night. Wake up early and feel fresh. Success requires a very disciplined mind. Your discipline will make you elite. Most people are lazy and weak. Be the one who actually works. This makes you stand out easily. Your value will skyrocket very fast. Everyone will notice your new glow. How do you feel right now? Are you ready to win quietly? Share your thoughts in the comments. Join our community of deep thinkers. Subscribe for more science-backed life tips. We help you build a better life. Stay strong and keep moving forward. Your best life is just beginning. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.